back to my channel. I've got two shares for y'all today. One is my newest digital journal kit that is now in my Etsy shop, and the other is a Cupcake Doily book that I made for a swap using a piece of these digitals. And I say a piece because at the time that I made the Cupcake Doily book, those were the only digitals that I had in this kit, the only ones that I had made. And I made them specifically for the Cupcake Doily book, knowing that I would eventually make a whole entire kit around them. So the whole entire kit was not done at the time that the Doily book was. Now that I'm done with the kit, let me share it with y'all. And I have so many more ideas for this kit in mind. So I guess let's start with the ephemera. So I have this page with some fussy cuts and some sparkly and pearly globes. I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. And I'm excited to use it. And then this page is what I created to do the doily book with. And of course, you could use it for other things as well. That's just why I created it. And then I have this page with tickets and bows, some shabby chic bows. Tickets with mussy tussies, fans, a swan, some pretty gloves, and a shabby chic violin. And then a page with smaller rectangle pieces for pockets, tags, bags. So pretty. Okay, and then I thought that I'd also make some 8.5 by 11 or 8 by 10, whatever you like to use, pages for full journals. And of course, when you print them, you can shrink them down to whatever size you want. If you want a smaller journal, of course you can shrink them to whatever size, but it will blow up very nicely to an 8.5 by 11. These I did an 8 by 10 due to the specialty paper that I was using is a little bit smaller than 8.5 by 11, but it will blow up to 8.5 by 11 if that's what you want to use. And I just love how they turned out. And some sweet doilies. These are some Baroque background wallpaper pages that I made. And I don't know why I had them mixed in with the other ones. They're definitely part of this kit, but they meant they were supposed to go in the back when I was showing y'all. And they ended up in the middle. That's okay. I love them. I love that they're neutral, can be used anywhere, anything, but also they just fit with this sweet Finery paper pack so beautifully. And that is the name of this digital kit. If you go to my Etsy shop, you can look for the Sweet Finery journal kit package. And I also thought it would really match my shabby vignette junk journal kit. I actually had started making this kit as an add-on to the shabby vignette junk journal kit, and it turned into a whole entire package on its own. Oh, I printed that twice. I didn't realize I did. Y'all already saw this. Didn't realize I printed it twice. But yeah, it turned into an entity of its own, a whole entire package on its own, but would still really look beautiful as an add-on for that shabby vignette kit. Alright, that is it for the digital kit called Sweet Finery in my Etsy shop. Go check it out. Please look at the shabby vignette kit if you have not already. And now I am going to show y'all the video that I made, combining it with this video obviously, of the Cupcake Doily for the swap that I participated in. Hi everyone, and welcome back, or welcome to my channel. I am on here today to show y'all this cupcake doily that I made out of my latest digitals. I have not released those digitals yet. They're just about ready to go into my Etsy shop, and when I do that, I will release them. I made these digitals to well, to go along with the other digitals that I just put out last week, the shabby vignette digitals. You know, and what happens is when you're making digitals and you think that you're done and you put them out there and you get all of these other ideas like, oh, I want to do this, I want to do that, I want to do that, I want to do that, and all of a sudden you end up with another digital set of digitals to complement the other digitals that, yeah, I don't know. Anyway, they were made to complement shabby vignette digitals, and y'all will see. I made this cupcake doily for a swap that I am involved in, and I hope that the person this is made for loves it, because I do. I love it so much. I think I'm gonna make one for myself. So let's dive in. I'll let y'all get a good look at all of the yummies all around. But I love that pretty little pearl key. So thick, so yummy. Okay. All right, so first I did put it on a wrapped jump ring. I did wrap the jump ring like I always do, and this time instead of tearing fabric, I made the tassel from a bunch of fibers that I have, and I love it. I love it. I love it. And I added a little heart bling, little diamond nail bling. I think that is so pretty and just perfectly goes with all of this. I love it. So on top I've got a singed rose with a pretty blinged out cameo on top, and a pearl. Bunch of doilies here, all sorts of tucks. Just a bunch. Y'all know how it goes. Alright, so my first digital here is this swan. And I've got a pretty little sequin tail for the swan, and got it lined with a bunch of fabrics and trims. Some pink bling and more trim up underneath that. I love this trim. It's my second page, some macaroons. I love this fabric here. I thought that was just a perfect complement to that. And I love those macaroons. Okay, over here we've got some shabby books with some pink roses on top. And I've tucked in some ruffly lace and a little bit of rose fabric here. And this applique with the rose that I've put some pearls in on top, and got tucked some fabric in here. And over here we've got another swan, but this one different. This is a swan by a dressing table looking in a mirror. And I've got it outlined in some cream colored pearls, and a pretty piece of applique with sequins and pearls and some danglies. On the next page I've got some chocolates, all of that chocolates. Oh, that looks yummy. Some sequin applique here with pearls also. The cutest little piece of doily here, and this piece of trim that I thought just went perfect right there. I love that piece of trim right there. I love it. Alright, on this page we've got the shabby carousel, And I cut up an applique and put it around here with some pearls on top, and then I just cut up the applique so that it would fit all up underneath in different stages and areas. So that's not how the applique looked. I just cut it to make it look that way. This is on top of a tiny little piece of doily, and then I've got some rope trim here on the side, and I've got little doilies tucked in up and around here too. I don't know if y'all can see that very well. On this side we've got the rose top cupcake, and I've got butterfly trim, little doily here, little doily here. I've tucked in a piece of polka dotted fabric and skirted it because I liked it. And little dangles there too. I don't know if I pointed that out. And another cute little doily there. Here I've got a shabby vintage harp, and got some more of that cream pearl here, and I've tucked in doilies, lace, trim, more pieces of lace and trim, a piece of a wedding dress that I have, more lace, just a bunch of stuff that I just thought was beautiful right there. And I've got tucked in here some more danglies, more dangle trim. And the back, I always like for the back to be fabulous as all the rest. And so we've got this cute little bird with a crown. I thought he was adorable. And I've got different types of doilies and fabrics in here, and appliques, another piece of that wedding dress, and then I've got this applique beaded drape dangles. Anyway, I know that was a quick video, but I am going to mail this off today, so I did want to get a quick video on it before I sent it. And I hope that this inspires y'all, and be on the lookout for those digitals. It'll be very soon. It may even be before this video comes out. I'm not sure. Anyway, thank y'all for watching. Take care. Bye.